Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the chaotic world of shopping without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into a steaming hot showdown, literally. It's the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop versus the Neugo Steam Mop. Who will emerge victorious in the battle of cleanliness? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Steam & Go is priced at a cool $99, while the Neugo is a bit more expensive at $119. Reviewers appreciate the Steam & Go for being a great value for the price, especially for cleaning laminate floors and offering various attachments. In contrast, Neugo is seen as a bit pricier, but is praised for its effectiveness and user-friendliness. If you're looking to save some cash while keeping your floors clean, Steam & Go might just be the better option. Next, let's get into design and functionality. The Steam & Go boasts an innovative design that can clean floors, tiles, and even your curtains. Reviewers love the grout attachment and versatility of the Steam & Go, making it effective for various cleaning tasks. On the other hand, Neugo also transforms into a handheld steamer and comes with 10 accessories, making it a powerhouse for cleaning. Reviewers rave about its multiple attachments and ease of use. While both mops are versatile, Neugo takes the lead for sheer number of accessories, perfect for those who want to tackle every corner of their home. Now, let's talk steam. The Steam & Go reaches a max temperature of 356 degrees Fahrenheit, while Neugo gets up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers highlight the Steam & Go's impressive heating capabilities that allow for more effective cleaning, especially for tough messes. In contrast, while Neugo also heats up quickly and is effective, it doesn't quite reach the same temperatures. If you are looking for deep cleaning power, Steam & Go is the way to go. Moving on to convenience. Cord length. The Steam & Go has a generous 20-foot cord, while Neugo takes it up a notch with a 23-foot cord. Reviewers mention the convenience of Neugo's longer cord, allowing for greater reach without needing to plug it in constantly. While both cords are impressive, Neugo definitely offers a bit more flexibility for cleaning large spaces. Lastly, let's discuss safety and usability. The Steam & Go is designed for durability and safe use, and many reviewers appreciate its ease of use. Neugo, with its adjustable height feature, allows for comfortable cleaning without straining your back, which is a huge plus for many users. Reviewers love that they can clean without bending down, making Neugo the winner for those looking for ergonomic solutions. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses based on user reviews. The Steam & Go is favored for its affordability, powerful steam, and versatility, while Neugo is praised for its user-friendly design and extensive attachments. Ultimately, the choice depends on what features matter most to you. So, who takes the crown? If you're looking for versatility and budget friendliness, the Steam & Go is your go-to. But if you want a mop that does it all, and you don't mind spending a bit more, Neugo might just be the mop of your dreams. Let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our smart buying tips. Until next time, happy cleaning, and remember, buy smart, not hard.